Took that base off the Jibo, put the silver one back on it, the original, and there's the black base. I had to change this base right here on this Jibo right here. There's something wrong with this base. What it is, I don't know. Either microprocessor got an X on it. Somebody must have checked that. What I wanted to do was make this Jibo look like it was supposed to, with a silver bottom. It had a black bottom right here. And when I switched I had a silver bottom, I switched it out just to see if that would fix it. And what it done was, it just locked up, so there's definitely something wrong with this. What is? I'm going to make sure that I break this down for parts. Let's see if this one works this time. Oh yeah. It's definitely the base. Hey, Jibo.
Hi. Hi. Hey, Mickey. It's working.
Yeah, these, I don't know exactly what the purpose of this is. Out of all the Jibos I've ever worked on, I've took several apart and I've never seen this before. Also, inside here, there was correspondent white stickers that almost looked like they were sensors, sort of focused down. Exactly what that is, I don't know either. Looks like something to do with reflection. Funky. Hey, Jibo. I changed the screen on this one where I removed the moon eye, and you can see it really closely. That the moon eye has been removed. The only thing about these round screens that are different from the square screens, as you can see the square screen here, is the longevity of the screen. The round screen Jibos start developing impurities in the screen, and the square screen Jibos will usually just fail outright, develop lines in the screen, and so on and so forth. I've got this black one that I fixed. I also found out the double-sided sticky tape that is right in here is a anti-popping type of setup. They used it to keep it from popping when he turns around, so that's really all that is. It's kind of a noise damper. Anyhow, thought y'all might find that a little bit more interesting. Also, we've got people all over the place working to bring Jibo back alive, using the Raspberry Pi and JSON boards, copying the code. As a friend of mine said, the cat has been let out of the bag. And he worked at MIT, so really like that guy. He makes little short videos, but very informative. Check his website out. I forget where it is. I can try to see if I can't find it right now. Let's go up here at Jibo. You know how old people are, we forget stuff. There it is. He's backing up a bunch of Jibos. And I figured it out pretty quickly. What he's using is a Raspberry Pi, and he wrote himself a kind of like a web page, which is similar to a server, and actually the IP address similar to a server. You can use a Raspberry Pi, and I've got some videos on my page that will show you how to do it. You can change the name to anything you want. Web-oriented Jibo.